How to take care of your HVAC system. Heating, ventilation and air conditioning, HVAC, systems are required in most areas of the world. This is because every part of the world gets to experience an extreme weather at some time in the year. Extreme weather often requires ventilation, air condition or heating. This system is responsible for maintaining a comfortable temperature in your house or workplace. Nearly everyone has an HVAC system installed, whether it's outdoor or indoor, we all have them. Even with its popularity and demand, many of us are oblivious about its maintenance. Often people will never bother servicing it and eventually they will end up paying a high amount on repairs. However, this article will tell you exactly how you can take care of your HVAC and eliminate repair cost. In order to ensure good performance by your HVAC, you will regularly need to change or clean its filters. When a HVAC and air conditioning system operates, it attracts dust. This dust accumulates on the filters, causing it to work on lower efficiency. Therefore, if your filter is dirty, then you will notice that your cooling system and air conditioning is not working as well as it used. Thus, regularly open the system and clean the filters. Once you have cleaned them, make sure that you let them dry properly, as a wet filter will tamper with the system's performance. You can also replace them if you do not want to clean them yourself, as cleaning can get a little messy. With regularly cleaning of your HVAC, you will be living in a cleaner environment. This is because this system can collect dust and bacteria, which are transmitted into your house every time the system is operational. Also, make sure you check your HVAC system thoroughly for any particles, especially if your HVAC system is outdoors. While checking, you will notice some twigs, leaves or dust balls stuck in the HVAC. Remove them completely to increase its performance. While removing such particles, remember to be gentle, as pulling or pushing too hard on the HVAC can cause damage. When it comes to taking care of the HVAC, you will also be required to inspect the air duct. During usage, the air duct will often get crushed or disconnected. Therefore, in case of a crushed or disconnected air duct, call an expert immediately and get it fixed. A crushed or disconnected HVAC system will not heat, cool or ventilate properly. With the above techniques, you will see that your regular maintenance cost will be a lot less than any repairing cost that you will incur if you do not service it regularly. With regular cleaning, not only do you save money, you also extends the HVAC system's life. An HVAC system without maintenance and service can only last a few years, but with the simple above steps you will be able to increase its life substantially. Therefore, it is advised to religiously clean or service your HVAC system. Everyone needs their HVAC. http://www.fotsdetails.com system to be working well to ensure that comfortable temperatures can be maintained throughout the year. This includes air conditioning, http://www.fotsdetails.com, and heating systems. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/mike_rahi_author/12460012